Hello, everyone. Here you will see a group of stalkers early in the morning, determined to harass me no matter what. Just watch. It is raining, and I've taken the fuse from the fuse box for the windshield wipers. The wipers were making a loud noise, this odd noise, so I removed the fuse. However, in this clip, I did pull out my phone as I was traveling to catch some of the gang stalkers in person. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification as you will be notified of upcoming videos. In this clip, there is a familiar stalker. They will turn in one of these houses along the area where I'm traveling. So I did turn around to let them know that I do see you. That's fine. And I had a little time because I knew it was raining. So I left a little earlier going to work. I guess this did not sit well with the gang stalkers. They were out in numbers. Take a look. After I make this roundabout, I come out of here, go again, slowing down so I can let this person know that I see you, I got you. And then I continue on out this area. So I'm coming to this stop sign. I'm going to turn right. And as I turn right, there is a vehicle to my left. So I stop. I wanted to get a clear visual of this vehicle. I am documenting the stalking. So I need to get a visual of what I see. So what I saw was there's no tag on this vehicle. And a lot of times that does happen, and I've seen it before, where the stalker will remove the tag in order not to be identified. But it's still the same vehicle, still the same tag. I mean, I don't understand that. So as I'm behind this person, the person stops. So I'm wondering, why are you stopping? I mean, there is nowhere to go. There is absolutely nowhere to go when you stopped. So I stopped. I mean, if you're going to continue on where you're going, if you're not just hanging out or stalking, why are you stopping? If you're on your way somewhere, I guess just to chill out in the rain. So this vehicle eventually turns off, and the vehicle behind me gets frustrated and passes, which is good. It's good for me. I still got a little time. I did leave early, so I have a little time to waste. So I continue on and make a left here. And once I make a left and I go a little ways down, I get a pleasant surprise. Someone that I know that's stalking. I've seen the vehicle before at this same juncture. And so the odd thing about this is, how am I seeing you at different times at the same juncture? So you're putting yourself out there as a stalker, this vehicle here. So I'm left with figuring out, I don't know, why you're stalking. Maybe you got a charge or something. So here comes another vehicle. I stop, get a good visual, and there's one to the left at these apartments. They're coming out. I just want to get a good visual. I still got a little time. So I come to this stop sign with this vehicle. Well, I guess they didn't stop. Well, maybe they did. And there's another vehicle. And I make a right. And you remember the video, no stop sign, with the big back truck coming out in part of the highway, or seemingly? Well, you're going to see a rendition of that here shortly in a few minutes. Right here. And I duplicated this scene a couple of times, so you probably will see it about 3 times. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and be safe. Please check this website out. I think it's some good information and a little bit of clarification and understanding of targeted individuals as what we are. So check it out. I will also check it out and see what I could do in my case. Check it out to see what you could do in your case. Thank you and be blessed.